Hi guys, welcome back for my next review tonight. So I want to show you some DIY. So I name for this DIY is Eachine E010 drone copter. So the drone is like this, Eachine E010. So make some DIY come to like this. So you can see. So this drone copter. Drone copter. If you can see, okay, how to make this drone copter is so the first look, the drone is like this. You must to open this cover, and then so you must know this is a front, this is a back. So you must open the cover, and then you turn now. When you turn now, here is the front, and then here is the back. Okay, so after that you must put the MPPF form. So this form is very low and very good for make a drone copter. MPPF form. So the view is like this right now, you can see. So if you turn back, the look is like this, you can see. Alright, okay, so after testing, this drone can fly, but you must start first. You can start first the rotor, and then you must throw. You must throw, because this drone is not enough power to on take off. So you must throw like you play the RC flight, RC plane, like you play. So during after you start the rotor, you must throw, and then the controller is like this. If you want to yaw, so the flight can be yaw. If you want go throttle, the flight can go straight. If you want go to the go drone this copter to right, the throttle is left. If you want go to the right, the throttle. If you want go to the left, the throttle is right. So like you play the FPV Google, so something like that, I think. So I try to make put some battery, and then try to little bit take off. If you can see, the flight cannot take off also, so it can go to the front like this. So you can see it's go to the front, because like this is a front, like this front, and then you must turn. So now here is the front, like this you can see. Okay, so for the testing flight, I see can go a lot far, and then not going down, so you can stable fly. So this is my first drone copter DIY, my first try, and then it's very successful and awesome, and I cannot believe can be happen like that. So if you want to do the drone copter, is view like this. You can see, because this is a front, you see have a curve, so front, you can see the curve, so you can see right now. So you must throw. You start first, and then you throw. You must throw it by your hand. So if you want to try, you can try. So this is my first DIY project, and then you want to try, you try. If you don't want, I do not say anything. So that's all for my drone copter DIY. So see you by next. Maybe I want to show flight for this drone copter, Eachine E010 drone copter. Maybe you can make from the another model Eachine or many drone. You can make like this. You can make your own MPPF form like this. So I think this is very nice. I think should be nice. And then I don't have to buy aeroplane drone. So I just make on my plane, DIY plane. So that's all for today. See you next. Bye soon. So don't forget, you must throw. You start up first the blade, the propeller, and then you must throw. So good luck, and then have a nice day. See you next. Bye bye.